Em here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to show you how to make a scrappy square in a square. Isn't that so cute? You'll need half square triangles. I'm just using bonus ones here that were left over from making my bushel and a peck quilt, and I will put a link to that quilt in the description down below. These blocks can be used in the sampler quilt. I just did on my blog a post about using bonus half square triangles if you're looking for more ways to use them. Remember, if you like my videos, to like and subscribe. All right, let's get started. To make a scrappy square in a square, you're going to want half square triangles. You're going to want 4 of them. So we're just going to arrange our half square triangles. Then we'll sew them in sets of 2. I find if I start stitching up here at the top by where they're going to meet, like the points, I have a better success rate of getting my points to match up. But don't worry if they don't, it's not a big deal. No one's going to look that close at your quilt. This is just for fun. And then I'm just going to press my seams one this way and one this way, and then we're going to sew these 2 together. And then I just pop my seam open so it will lay flat, and that will give you your scrappy square in a square. Just mix and repeat. Have fun with it. It's a really fun scrappy block to play with. Thanks for watching my video. If you're looking for more fun ways to bust your scrap and to connect with other scrappy adventurers, please check out Aunt Em's Sew Along Adventure. Thanks. We'll see you next time. Bye.